It's 6:25 a.m. here at Venice Beach in Venice, Florida. And we are waiting for the sunrise. And I know we're on the sunset side of the state, but the thought is with the blue hour and the golden hour, we are right at the pier, the fishing pier on Venice Beach, and we're thinking about smoothing out the water a little bit. So Michelle and I are here. I don't know if she shows up on this at all, get enough light.
Good morning.
Good morning. It is a beautiful morning here. Probably a little cold for those who have Florida blood. For us Michiganders, it's not too bad. It's in the upper 60s here, and just a beautiful, beautiful morning, which has been the experience that we've been here in Florida. I've got that Lewinter light set to totally red to not fry out our eyeballs, but for now, I'm gonna get the camera set up and get ready to do a few different photographs here. The sun is starting to rise a little bit. We can look over this way. We can see the sky is starting to light up a little bit. I do have the Fujifilm set up right here, the XE3. I've got the 18 to 55 millimeter lens on it. I'm set at 10 seconds at f11. I'm going to have to start putting some neutral density filters on this pretty soon. They should be okay. A couple days ago, when we were shooting out at Naples Beach with Paul Cook of PC3 Photos, one thing I did not anticipate about this beach type or seascapes type photography is the amount of sand that gets into everything. And those filters were just full of sand because I'd put the pouch in my pocket in my shorts, and the waves were washing up on me and they was just plugged up. But I do believe we've got them cleaned off and we're going to be able to use them this morning. Look at this, absolutely beautiful seagulls. We've moved the camera a little closer. I've got it set up. I've got the 11-stop neutral density filter on it right now. We are currently in the middle of a 4-minute exposure. Get that water to look just like glass. The sun is just about to crest the horizon over here behind us. What an absolutely spectacular morning. Here at the pier, you can see the colors and what all's going on. And the pelicans are out flying, the seagulls are out flying. It's just a beautiful morning to be out here in nature. I might also try some photographs from here under the pier, more of a minimalist view, and possibly even in black and white. We'll see what we end up with. As that sun is cresting the horizon, it's beginning to strike the pier here. You can see along, and really changing the look of how this is. Pretty rapid fire, changing the settings on the camera, and to try to, again, keep that water smoothed out and maybe take advantage a little bit of the sunlight, a little different look. That is going to wrap us up for this episode, what is this? For this vlog here at Venice Beach in Venice, Florida. It's been an absolutely wonderful trip here. Terrific. A couple days ago, meeting Paul Cook from PC3 Photos. What an experience that was to finally get to meet him face to face. From here, Michelle and I are gonna go a little further down the beach, and we hear there's some beach yoga, which might be interesting for me because I'm about as flexible as a concrete sidewalk, but we'll see, maybe it'll make me a little more flexible. And then after that, breakfast. As always, you have a great time. That's not what I want to say. I don't want to say that at all.
Here comes the sun.
Here comes the sun. That could be a song. We could work on that. Thanks for coming along with us on this adventure. I've got some more videos popping up here. In fact, the one with Paul Cook, PC3 Photos, on the screen right now. Be sure to check that one out.
Bye.